Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace the fan, just the fan, on a Chevy Blazer. This is a 2004, picked it up pretty cheap because it had a bunch of front end damage. Put a new bumper on, well, new used bumper on, and then got a replacement grill right there. But I'll take care of that later. The reason why I'm replacing the fan is because I've got a couple blades broken. Might need to do the radiator as well, but we'll see today. Sorry about that. So, to start off, there are 3 10mm bolts up top that needs to be removed. Then 2 right there, which I've already taken out. And another 2 right there. I don't know if you can see the other one. Hose is in the way. There you go. And this is just to remove the upper shroud to give us a little bit more space. Okay, now that I got the shroud out of the way, easy access to the fan. Now, on some vehicles it might be a bit difficult because usually that nut is really tight on there. Just gotta get a big wrench on it. And then you can't just try pushing it down because it'll turn the fan with it. You need to grab a hammer and give it a jerk. Okay, let's see if that did the trick. Okay, it is easily coming off now. So you should just be able to spin the fan. It should unthread itself. Okay, so here I have the fan out, and you can see how badly broken it is. Happy I got a replacement. Picked that one, the replacement one up at the junkyard. It was about $6 or $7. Not too bad. Okay, so you will see I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 13mm bolts holding it on. Now these are going to be tough to take off, and since this fan is broken, I use my body weight in between 2 of the blades while using one arm to hold it down to break these loose. Okay, so now that I've removed the bolts, I need to get a hammer. Just hold up the fan, just give it a tap. Now dislodge it and you can pull it right up. Now when you're putting the new one on, you want to make sure that 1, it's the same fan, and 2, you're putting it on the correct way. In this guy you'll see this lip about 1 inch. Here it's much deeper. So I'm going to grab the new fan. Just set that on there, line it up. There you go, now I'm ready to put the bolts back in. And this is also a great video for if you need to replace your fan clutch. This is basically exactly what you have to do to replace it. You still have to take the fan out, shroud out, all of that. Detach the fan, and that will be the part you would be replacing if you're doing the fan clutch. But this fan clutch is still good. I've tested it. It's smooth. So the fan is all that I'll be replacing today. So I'm going to get the bolts back in. Okay, 4 bolts in, and they're barely snug down because I want to show you guys and explain that when you're tightening these down, I believe it is 20 foot-pounds of torque. Make sure you do it just like you're doing the lug nuts on like a Honda Civic or something. You want to do in a crisscross pattern. That way it's flush up against the fan clutch and you won't have any vibrations. Okay, so here I already put the fan back on. Just spun it on and tightened it a little bit with the wrench. And then it doesn't have to be too tight because once you start the car it's going to spin in the direction that the threads go. So let's see if the fan works as it should. Start the car up. Perfect. No vibration. Awesome. So there you have it, guys. Sorry about the wind noise, but that's how you replace the fan on your Chevy Blazer. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button.